sides ought to be properly taught so people can understand what the debate is about. Now, the eyes of the nation were on Dover, the latest battleground in the war on evolution.
Now, I don't want to sound melodramatic, but I actually think very important things were at stake. One is the future of science education in this country.
If a school board could do this, what would prevent them from doing more things like this in other classes, presenting pseudoscience or pseudomath or pseudohistory in promotion of one particular religious view? It's wrong.
Does science education have to be so narrow, so technical, so deferential to the existing paradigm that we can't even introduce students to what may be the next great theory?
Presiding over the case would be Judge John E. Jones III.
I could never have imagined in August of 2002, when I took my seat, that I would be presiding over a case that would attract literally worldwide attention.
Jones had been recommended for his position on the bench by Senator Santorum and appointed by George W. Bush. Before becoming a judge, Jones was head of Pennsylvania's Liquor Control Board, where he banned the sale of Bad Frog beer because it showed a cartoon frog making an offensive gesture.
Initially, you find out you've got a judge that's been appointed by President Bush, who has come out himself in favor of intelligent design. That makes you a little nervous.
Members of the defense, however, were optimistic about their chances in Jones's courtroom.
What the Dover School Board had done, they weren't requiring that intelligent design be taught, and they weren't removing evolution from the classroom. So it seemed to me this was pretty modest, and so I did think it had a pretty good chance, if it was printed properly, of being accepted.
We didn't have to show that, one theory was better than the other, merely that it was a credible theory and that the students would gain something by understanding the controversy surrounding the theory of evolution and the origin of species.
The parents who opposed intelligent design, or plaintiffs, had launched the lawsuit, so the burden of proof was on them. And because the parents were asking for the teaching of intelligent design to be halted, an order that only a judge can render, there would be no jury. Instead, the jury box was packed with reporters and writers from around the globe, including one with a surprising connection to the case.
I think of myself as being a sort of living disproof of evolution, because my great-great-grandfather